What is the average electrician salary in Laos? On average, an electrician in Laos earns around 1,840 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, it drops to $1,660, which leaves you with roughly $138 every month in take-home pay. While that is the countrywide average, an electrician in Vientiane makes more, bringing home $1,960 after tax. Even though wages outside Vientiane are lower, living there costs less, so your money goes further. Experience also plays a big role in your electrician income, as entry-level pay starts well below the average, but it goes up quickly in your first few years before it plateaus. Without stepping into supervision, your average electrician pay will not rise much higher, which is why many workers choose to pursue extra education. Having a university degree helps you move into higher-paying positions, like an electrical engineer or a project manager. On top of that, your employer type makes a huge difference in how much does an electrician make in Laos, because small local firms pay a fraction of what large national companies or multinational employers offer. So if you want to earn more, aiming for a bigger international firm is usually the best path.